One thing I like about traveling the Philippines is just about anywhere you go, any city you go to, they've got a beautiful square. Today, we're in Oton, which is somewhat southwest of Iloilo City, and we're heading for a place called Miagao. How do you say it?
Miagao.
Miagao. She is my teacher. I'm not a very good student, but she's my teacher. Look at all this lush landscaping behind us. Everything here is so pretty and so green, especially after we've had all these rains. I've known a guy for a couple of years, and we finally got together. He lives in Miagao, and so we're heading down there. We had it tentatively set up for yesterday, but we kind of got once we got to the hospital and realized her sister needed all the help with the baby, so we postponed it till today, and he's not answering. But with the phone service here and the phone systems, we've got, you can't always rely on it. And many times I thought a girl was just ignoring me, and come to find out it was a bad signal, or even they might not have a load. You put on your cards and your cell phone, you've got a load. You buy the loads by the minute, and if your card expires, you can't use your phone. Unlike America, where you've got a fixed plan and it goes from month to month. So that's life here. So we're gonna head down that way, and I know the name of the barangay if I don't hear from him. So I bet you somebody in that barangay is gonna be able to tell me where the American lives, and I know his name, so that's gonna be a big help. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to make video of our meeting with him and his wife in their humble home, but we hadn't even discussed that. But I hope I'm going to be able to. It'll give you guys some kind of an idea how well foreigners or Americans, how do you say that, adapt to and move into the culture with the Filipina and their native homes. So hopefully we're going to be able to meet him and have a good time. We're also going to be down there near the Miagao church, so if we don't get a chance to meet him, I want to get up in those towers and video those towers with this better camera and see what they're like. Okay, well, me and my princess, we're gonna head on down toward Miagao. We'll see you guys when we get there. Bye-bye. One of the things I don't do often enough is when I see something interesting is to stop and take video of it. And we're again on our way to Miagao, and coming across this bridge, this is one spot that I never really took the time to stop and take a picture or video of it. I did it today, and this is what it looks like. This is where the river, one of the rivers coming from the mountains, meets the ocean out here. That's the southern tip of Guimaras Island beyond the blue, and this is the sandy, dirty water coming down from the mountains. It's erosion from the mountains. That's why it's the different color. We've got a 6-foot tide here in the Philippines, or a 1 meter tide. Yeah, it's about 6 feet, 2 meter tide. But this is really pretty where the different colors meet out there. And I thought it was worthy of a little bit of a video. But this is real common anywhere you go. I'm gonna shoot across the street. That's what the rivers look like when they're coming through. Now a lot of times, like earlier this year when we have no rain, the waters will be down so low they'll be out there digging up gravel. Actually, you can see some bags of gravel out there right now. There's a bunch of bags sitting out there, and that's all river rock, river gravel. Okay, we just had to get a video for you. Back to the motorcycle. Across from Marine Training Center here. We're in Gimbal, Texas, and I've stopped a couple of times and taken a few pictures here, and today we're going to get Gail. She wants her picture taken, but not just any picture. She's with the Incredible Hulk. Hello back there. They have all these action figures all the way down the road here. Flash Gordon, Aquaman, Wolverine, Black Widow, and Thor. There's Iron Man. And these folks here are doing their photo op too. These are the students coming out of the training center here. A lot of marine training centers here in the Iloilo area.
Hey, Mike.
Gonna try to block some of this wind noise, guys. But the water out here is really pretty. It's an aqua blue. And that's Guimaras Island back over there. That's gonna be the further southwest portion of Guimaras. Then you see a watercolor change here, and that's from the river coming in off the mountains, bringing in all the sediment. There are the big tall mountains right there behind Miagao, and those big mountains there is what separates Iloilo province and Antique province. But we wanted to stop and take a little video of this for you on this trip. You guys like on the road videos, and we got them for you. Those mountains are so big, they're up in the clouds. Well, you ready to get down and meet John? All right, let's go get him, Tiger.